Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.